So welcome to another edition of our DIY camper remodel. It's been a few days since we've been able to do anything. We've had a couple of other projects going on. So unfortunately, I haven't had much of a chance to get out here and work. Let me show you a couple of things that we have though. Decided that this no longer will be a closet area. So Pam's been working on that. She's taken now some of the hardware off of where the door used to be. She'll come back in and paint that. You'll notice this in the background as well. This is kind of like butcher paper, or she's a teacher, so she does bulletin boards and had some left over. It's 48 inches wide, which is perfect because at its widest point, this is 48 inches wide. This is what we've got. So I've already done it, but I'll just kind of give you a rough idea of what it looks like. Okay, so I just paused it for a moment so I could stick this up and show you kind of roughly what I did. My older brother gave me this suggestion. He's remodeled boats in the past. Sailboats. So what I did was put this piece of 48-inch paper up, and then it's kind of straight on this side, so I used that as my straight side, and then just kind of pushed it up in here, and then as I did, I cut along. You'll notice it's falling down, and it's because I've already cut it to form the shape that I want. I'll use this as a stencil, if you will, as I take it over to what I call shower board or dry erase board. And we'll show you how we're going to do that in just a moment as well. So we've now, let me see if I can turn around and see the 4x8 sheet of, again, I don't know what it's called. It's dry erase. So you can pick it up at the hardware store, and I bet if you ask for dry erase, they'll know what you're talking about. Anyway, what we're going to use this for is the back side of that shower. We're going to build a shower enclosure, and we'll try not to take this guy along with us. This has been sitting in the garage for a couple of months. Anyway, what I'll do is I'll take our little template here, and once I get it really in place, I'm going to take a jigsaw, go around, cut it out, and then try to put it in. But that's all for another episode. See you next time.